This might sound simple, but it saves me so much time. You know, the more you are moving data from one spreadsheet to another or one tab to another, copying and pasting, this really adds up. And so there are three key keyboard shortcuts that I want to talk about right now. You've probably already heard of Command C or Command V. And actually, I'm going to talk about these in the realm of a Mac computer. If you have a Windows computer, anytime I say Command, just replace that with the keystroke of Control. But anyways, I'm sure you have heard of Command C or Command V, but just to refresh you, so Command C is what you want to press together as a shortcut for copying, and then Command V is the shortcut for pasting. And so oftentimes I'll use Command C and V pretty shortly, like next to each other. And this will all come into play as I show you the actual next trick. So the next trick you may not have heard of. I didn't hear about this one for a while, and when I did, I was super thankful to the person that showed me how to do this. So what this is Shift plus Command plus the down arrow, for example, will actually highlight all of your data, and I'll show you this visually in a second. This also works for any other direction, so whether you're going down, up, right or left. So you can also highlight an entire row and use it or column and use it that way as well. So I will show you that real quick. Let's say that I want to get all of this data quickly, and I don't want to sit here and drag all the way over. So what I'm going to do is select the first cell that I want to start with, and then you're going to do your Shift Command, and then the down arrow is what automatically moves it all the way down. So as you can see, I did not drag that, but rather I did those three keystrokes to move it down. You can also combine the down with the right in this case. So I'll show you that real quick. So I'm going to do Shift Command down and then the right arrow. And as you can see, it highlighted all of the data. And so what's lovely about that is I can then combine this with my Command C and then go over to my new tab and do Command V. So now we have all our data in the new spot. Isn't that super nifty? That saves me so much time.